Okay, I've got the card shuffled, and I wanted to do a reading on is Trump doing all he can to ruin the United States? Now, is someone acting singularly on this, or, is it a plot? Are there more involved than just one person? What's going on? Because everything he's doing with these EPA, the thing with the farmers, all of the things that Trump is doing are to hurt the U.S., okay? Everything he's doing is to tear down the U.S. This is not the actions of a businessman. These are the actions of an anarchist. Somebody that wants to tear us down from the inside. So, what's going on? What's going on behind the scenes? Okay? So, underneath of it all, we have, under dark of night, the singular person going forward. But I'm inclined to say that he is not the only one involved, even though it appears like Trump is the only one. No, this is a plot that's being hatched. Because Trump really doesn't know which way to turn. Okay? Even though it appears that Trump is the one that's carrying it out, really, he's clueless. Okay? He is totally clueless. Yeah. And now the challenge is the attention is being drawn to the tower as everything is doing in crash and burn mode. Okay? So the center of it, we see that he is the one, oh yes, he's the little page, the one that's taking the action. Okay? He's the one we see on the world stage, trying to get away with what can be gotten away with. Okay? All for the benefit of the uber wealthy. Yeah. For whoever else is behind this. So the question is, what is the organization behind this? We need to put the light on that. Who all is behind this? Is it the uber wealthy like the Koch brothers? Is it Putin? Is it a conglomerate of ones like Putin and the Saudi prince? Okay. Yes, we have Trump in his animal nature that's just bulldozing these things along. And here, again, we have behind the scenes just burning the forest, burning, this dark element that's there in their animal nature, just burning. We have the tower, okay, actively blowing things up. We have him feeling like embattled, okay, that he's embattled. And the challenge is purification, the King of Swords, okay, one that is, and some of them believe in this thing that, the evil angels, if we get all this stuff to crash and burn, then Christ will have to come back quicker. Well, trust me, they do not want to see Christ return. Okay? They do not want to see it because it is going to be so different than what they think it's going to be. Moving forward, we see they see their opportunity now. Okay? To elicit their type of justice, which is not justice. They've skewed the courts, they've skewed everything with their judgments. Okay? And they are coming from the darkness. Okay? They're coming from the darkness. And their challenge is to destitution. Their challenge is 10 of Swords. Okay? To destroy the country. Okay? So we've got... Okay. Above it, that was the foundation. The foundation is to do their own breed of so-called justice, which is more like revenge, doing all they can to ruin this country. Above it, we have Queen of Swords, emotional, hardline. Again, they've planted the seeds. They're waiting for it to mature. It's not maturing fast enough. They're trying to skew the way people see things, trying to wait things out as well. Their challenge is dissolution. Okay? Dissolution, covering over, not allowing to see what's actually taking place. Okay, that's what's above it. Going forward, yes, they have the dark agenda. The devil, the ego, the plan that's being worked on, that they're carrying out methodically. Yet again, the devil. Okay? The challenge is to move it forward as quickly as they can now that they've got Trump in office, somebody that can be manipulated, to move the agenda forward as quickly as they can. So, when you have more than one devil, that they're working on this plan to hang up the U.S., hang us out to dry, okay, there's more than one involved in this, in the plot to take down America from the inside. Okay. They're causing blood to be spilled. Okay. Mass shootings, trying to tie us up wherever they can. Cause disruption, cause disharmony, fighting amongst ourselves. Remember Mein Kampf, divide and conquer. Okay? And they are absolutely fascinated with what they are pulling. So, I would say part of this is Putin, part of this is the Saudis, part of this is, these uber rich that want to see the downfall. We have, yes, there is more than one involved. Okay? This is a plot that's going on, and Trump, yeah, that's the end of the reading. This is a plot involving Trump. I think Trump is the stooge. Okay? He's an idiot. He is being manipulated behind the scenes. I don't think he's that smart to pull this off by himself. Okay? So I think behind it we have ones like Putin, the anarchists, those that want to bring America down so that it clears the way for them to run roughshod over the rest of the world. If we get America out of the way, because we've been the watchdog. America has been the standard to follow, to keep these things in check, under control. And now that they have stooge Trump in the office and can manipulate him and put him out there like he's the only one that's doing this. Okay? While they continue to be behind the scenes manipulating the things and manipulating other ones like Mitch McConnell. They have a number of stooges on their playlist. Trump, Mitch McConnell, Jordan, Gates, all these uber right wing that call themselves conservatives that are the radical agenda that have hijacked the Republican Party. It's no longer a Republican Party. They might as well call it the party of Putin. The Putinesques, okay? Putinese, Putinesques, I don't care what you want to call them, but they're all under Russia's thumb. The anarchists, the party of anarchists, the destroy at any cost agenda, okay? Destroy at any cost agenda. I want to see, are we going to right ourselves from this? Are we going to right ourselves from this? Recover. Okay. Do not fear, because yes, we are going to put an end to it. This is not an end to us. This is an end to that situation. The chariot is going to go forward, and we are going to take back our country, our values, our strengths, okay? Once we get rid of this party, okay? Yeah, once we get that challenges the ambivalence, the ones that have seen what they could get away with, that have overtaken, like Mitch McConnell, that stalls everything, that has done all they can to keep democracy from going forward. Okay? Mitch McConnell is one of the key players to keep anything from going forward. Okay, so will it get better when Mitch McConnell is out? Will things get better when Mitch McConnell is out? Yes, then they'll be able to work together. Okay, we'll be able to be more united in our front judgment, okay, being able to really put back into place the opportunities and birthing things new, okay, once we get Mitch McConnell out of office, Trump out of office, yeah, then we can stimulate the economy, stimulate and bring things forward, put light on it, take new action, and start to get this sorted out. So don't despair. We will be able to sort it out and go forward even stronger. Okay, what will be the ultimate outcome? The ultimate outcome of this, yeah. Yeah. 2 times putting an end to this, okay? The ultimate outcome is they will be able to put an end to this, okay? And go forward with the action, put our banners back up the way they were before, for what our country stands for, okay? Our country will go forward, and we will be able to address the illusions and the things that they had tried to do to skew people's thoughts into a covering over, into a fear-based drama of the boogeyman. Call this the boogeyman card, the moon card, the boogeyman card, okay? will be able to address the boogeyman so it does not happen again. Okay, so we've just got to hang in there, hang tight. This too will pass, but the upcoming elections are so important to get rid of Trump, get rid of McConnell, get rid of Jordan, get rid of Gates, get rid of this uber Putinesque, Putin's puppets, and get them out of there, the anarchists that want to destroy America from the inside out. Okay, again, Steve Miller, another one, the Jewish Nazi. Okay, all of these ones we need to get out and start making grand, sweeping changes to the law so this can never take hold again like it attempted to take hold this time. Okay, so thanks for tuning in. Again, please give a thumbs up. That moves things forward here much more than a comment. A thumbs up does so much more. If you enjoy this channel and want to get it out there for others to see, that takes giving a thumbs up. It takes not even a second of your time. Click, done, moves things forward. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day. See you online. Aho.